and sa BSE, sa Kaya team, sa aming glam team. Yes, si Shanadera, and also kami. Kami nag-makeup sa
And si Sir Nash.
Sir Nash.
Thank you so much.
Sir Nash, thank you po.
Also,
Yan, so guys, syempre, ito na, memories niyo itong linya ko na to. We would like to take this opportunity to promote our social media accounts.
Where is it, Alicia?
I-search nyo lang po ang Kaya Official PH.
ako din memorize nyo na to. And listen to our songs on all music, digital streaming platforms.
Ako, minus point. Ako mali.
Mali na naman.
Minus point.
Pag-memorization pala dito.
Again, salamat po Backyard Live for inviting us. Thank you so much. And of course, to our Zion. Grabe guys, na-touch kami. Ang dami niya tonight. Maraming salamat and mahal na mahal namin kayo.
We love you all, Zaya. And for our next performance, and this is our last song. Kinakabahan na si Ate Angela, guys. And for our last song for tonight, this song made a clear path sa amin last year. And actually, medyo nakakaba tong kantahin in front of the producer. Pwede ba? Zach, tuwagin mo na dito.
Sir Zach, a song that Sir Zach, pwede. A song that made a lot of milestone for us. Tulad na lang ng pagpasok sa viral hits sa Spotify and being nominated as Pop Song of the Year in Filipino Music Awards. This song was written by Mr. Zach Pabudo! Papa Zach! Papa Zach! Papa Zach! Hey! Papa Zach! Hello guys! Tunay! Bago niyang kanta! Nandito yung... Yeah, okay. Andito yung tunay niyang minamahal. Si Abby! Ang ganda! Ang ganda! Thank you guys!
Andito ang tunay na minamahal ng mga tanga.
Yes. Nandito na tayo. Nandito na tayo sa part na to.
Ayan.
So, sa mga na in love at naging tanga sa pag-ibig, sino